Hello, the subject of this video is the Stahl's Hotronix MAXX2G Plus heat press. The heating element is 16 by 20 inches and it comes with a 16 by 20 inch lower platen. The heating element is floating. As you can see, it pivots from center to allow it to press more evenly when the garment surface isn't perfectly flat, and to help offset any additional pressure that might exist toward the back of the press. The digital control panel allows you to adjust time and temperature. When the time expires, the MAXX2G Plus will open automatically. When using this press with a Brother GT printer, we typically set the time for 35 seconds and the temperature to 356 degrees Fahrenheit when curing both Brother white ink pretreatment and Brother GT ink. Now we get to the most unique feature on the MAXX2G Plus. It has a dual pressure knob, a very important control when curing pretreatment. Here is the typical way to use the MAXX2G Plus with the Brother DTG. First, get the garment you will be using, in this case a t-shirt, and slide it onto the press with the side that you won't be printing on hanging under the press. This is called dressing the press, or threading the garment. Set the dual pressure knob to light. Place 2 fingers on the handle and press down. Adjust the over-the-center pressure setting knob until you can easily close the press with 2 fingers. Clockwise to increase pressure, counterclockwise to decrease pressure. The over-the-center pressure adjustment would be different for different thicknesses of garments. So for instance, you would need to adjust it between sweatshirt printing and t-shirt printing. Once you have the pressure set, you're ready to print shirts. For curing shirts that you pre-treated, simply turn the dual pressure knob to firm, which is about 80 pounds of pressure, and close the press. When you need to cure the ink, turn the dual pressure knob to light, which is about 20 pounds of pressure, and close the press. You will want to thread the garment onto the press because it helps prevent creasing and will prevent thicker areas from one side of the garment from imprinting onto the other side. A common problem when pressing pocket tees or zippered hoodies without threading the garment onto the press. There are 2 choices to add Hotronix threadability to the MAXX2G Plus. The counter caddy, which is good if you plan to set it on a tabletop, or the caddy stand with wheels, which makes it freestanding and easier to move around the shop. It is highly recommended that Brother DTG white ink users get one or the other of these caddies to allow threadability on the MAXX2G Plus. It is important to note that optional lower platens are available. They allow threadability on things that will not fit over the 16 by 20 inch platen, such as small t-shirts or a baby bodysuit. These lower platens are available in a 7-inch round, 6 by 10 inch, 8 by 10 inch, and 11 by 15 inch. When the MAXX2G Plus is purchased from Brother, we include a set of Hotronix upper and lower platen covers. The top cover makes it easier to wipe clean and helps to protect the heating element from the steam that is generated when curing pretreatment. The bottom cover makes it much easier to thread the garments onto the press. In conclusion, the features of the MAXX2G Plus allow a one heat press solution, being able to quickly and repeatedly change back and forth from 80 pounds to 20 pounds of pressure, and threadability are 2 unique and very important features for Brother DTG white ink users. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit us at www.brotherdtg.com.